COMESA Court of Justice, which was established in 1994, has made landmark decisions in the recent past, including the Malawi mobile and Malawi government case, as well as the case involving an Egyptian company, Polytol, and the government of Mauritius, in which the court ruled against the government for breach of the COMESA rules for the free trade area and ordered a refund of customs duties. Despite all these and many more landmark decisions made, the activities of the court remain unknown by most member states. For this reason, in 2015, the COMESA Council of Ministers, realizing that the court was not widely known and its activities were underutilized by the member states, the Council directed the court to start conducting publicity activities in order to increase awareness in the member states. The COMESA Court of Justice has since conducted publicity seminars in several member states including Kenya, Uganda, Madagascar, Sudan, Zambia, and recently in Seychelles. In Seychelles, the seminar was anchored under the theme Ensuring Economic Integration by Bringing Justice to the Common Market. The Minister of Finance, Trade and Economic Planning, Dr. Peter Lalorse, officially opened the seminar, which was attended by members of the legal fraternity, the academia, the business community, government departments, and the media.
The aim of holding such publicity seminar is to sensitize the various stakeholders about the provisions and the applications of the COMESA Treaty and the remedies the court that the court can afford to litigants in an effort to promote trade development pertaining to the region. And as such, the COMESA Court is here present today to provide as much information as possible in this seminar through papers being presented and, more importantly, through interaction. As the learned registrar said, we hope that we can interact with delegates here in this auditorium and through media coverage.
With the growth of international trade in Africa, it means that the COMESA countries' trade activities is also growing despite a temporary fall in commodity prices. In turn, more foreign direct investment are entering our respective countries. With an increase in commercial activities in a very volatile trading environment, investors demand contractual protections, transparency, and above all, fairness and justice in all commercial transactions.
In April 2017, the court held a publicity seminar in Zambia where various stakeholders convened to listen to the various presentations by the court judges. The seminar was held under the theme The Role and Operations of the COMESA Court of Justice, Supporting Economic Integration within the COMESA region.
These seminars have attracted excellent media coverage in the national and regional newspapers and national television channels. They've also sensitized the various stakeholders about the provisions and applications of the COMESA Treaty and the remedies that the court can afford to litigants in an effort to promote trade development and regional integration. We need to recall that the COMESA Court of Justice was established as an important organ of adjudication of any matter over which it has jurisdiction under the treaty, its protocols and regulations.
Notwithstanding the jurisdiction of the court to provide remedies and further encourage regional integration, it has been observed that the court is being underutilized. This is unfortunate, especially that a well-established institutional framework is in place with capable and well-qualified judges available to preside over matters.
In the same month, the court made a ruling in a case between Malawi Mobile Limited Company and the Malawian government.
The respondent has failed to satisfy the requirements contained in proviso to Article 26 of the treaty, which provides that it should have first exhausted local remedies in the national courts or tribunals of the member states so that it cannot proceed without the reference. We therefore allow the appeal and quash the decision of FID. We accordingly dismiss the respondent's reference. It follows therefore that there is no need for us to refer the matter back to the FID. In view of the importance of the points raised in the present case, we order that each party bears its own cost.
While in Seychelles and Zambia, the judges led by the Judge President Lambechime Sakunda paid courtesy calls on the various stakeholders. In Zambia, the judges visited Minister of Justice Given Luwinda, the Chief Justice at the High Court, Her Honor Lady Justice Irene Mambilima, and the Zambia Chambers of Commerce and Industry, Zaki. In Seychelles, the COMESA Court of Justice judges paid courtesy calls on the President of Seychelles, Dan Foray, the Minister of Finance and Economic Planning, the President of the Court of Appeal, Honorable Francis McGregor, and the Speaker of Seychelles Parliament, Honorable Patrick Pile. It is expected that the court shall hold a publicity seminars in the remaining member states as instructed by the Council of Ministers. There is no doubt that the court is committed to developing a mature legal system in the interpretation of the treaty, and therefore it lends highest assurances to the court's integrity, impartiality, and timely dispensation of justice to the COMESA citizens.